In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print chat in Microsoft Teams using our comprehensive 2025 guide. This video will cover some straightforward methods to save and print your Teams conversations efficiently. Let's dive right in. To begin with, you need to navigate to the chat section in Microsoft Teams. You can do this by opening your Teams application and locating the chat you need to print. Once you're there, all your messages should be laid out nicely and ready to be accessed. The first method we're going to explore is copying and pasting your chat into a different application like Word, Google Docs, or Notepad. This is a simple yet effective way to create a print-friendly version of your chat. Start by highlighting the portion of the conversation that you want to save. Once highlighted, right-click the selection and choose the copy option. Now open your preferred document editor. You could use Microsoft Word if you're on a PC, Google Docs for an online solution, or Notepad for something straightforward and quick. Paste the copied text into your chosen application. This method allows you to format the text according to your needs. You can change fonts, colors, or even add annotations and comments. Once you're satisfied with the formatting, you can print the document by pressing Ctrl+P on a Windows machine or CMD+P if you're using a Mac. This will open the print dialog where you can adjust settings as required, then proceed with printing. Our next approach involves using the browser print feature, which is particularly useful when using the web version of Microsoft Teams. Open Teams in your browser and navigate to the chat you wish to print. Once you have the desired conversation open, press Ctrl+P on Windows or CMD+P on Mac to bring up the print dialog. In this menu, you have the choice to either save the file as a PDF or print directly using your connected printer. A quick tip here, this method may only capture what is visible on your screen at the time, meaning you might have to scroll through the chat and repeat the process if you want to print a lengthy conversation. Remember that both methods have their advantages. Copying and pasting allows for flexibility and personalization in formatting, while the browser method is quick and direct but might need some repetition if the chat is extensive. Whether you're archiving conversations for record keeping or printing a chat for a meeting review, these methods ensure you can have physical copies in a few straightforward steps. Hopefully you found these instructions helpful and you're now ready to tackle any printing needs in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and guides.